Hey, if you're a massage therapist, you probably already know that setting your prices can feel really difficult, emotional, and tricky. But don't worry, I've been where you are and I have a proven system that works. So today we're going to be talking about how to set your prices with purpose and do so without stress. Keep watching to get my system. Do these questions sound familiar? If I raise my prices, I'll lose clients. What if people don't actually value my services that much? Or what if I'm not that good of a massage therapist? Other people in my area are charging this much. I can't go much above that. If all of this sounds familiar, you're not alone. I hear this all the time from massage therapists, and that's exactly why I'm creating this video, because you deserve to live a life of abundance. You didn't get into your massage career to be starving all the time, or maybe not starving, but not making enough money. You actually started your business and came into this career so that you can thrive, and that is what I'm here to help you to do today. Because guess what? Pricing is not just about your time. It's all about your expertise, your skills, your experience, but most of all is about the benefit that you bring to clients. How many times have you heard clients say to you, I don't know what I would do without you. I felt so blah, blah, blah before I came in and now I feel this way. My massage session came up and I just could not wait to get here. It was perfectly timed. Guess what? You're creating transformation in your clients' lives, and that is what they're paying for. Let's quickly talk about the signs that you are undercharging. So if you're feeling any of these ways, it probably means that it's time to raise your prices. 1, you feel resentful, you feel overworked, you feel burnt out. Number 2, you're booked solid, but you're still worrying about finances. Believe me, this is more common than you think. And number 3, and this is the good problem, you're really booked out. You can't fit all of your clients in. Guess what? It's time to get your prices up and become more exclusive. These 3 indicators are clear that your pricing is not aligned with your worth, and it's time to raise your prices. Pricing matters more than you think. There's a lot that goes into the psychology of pricing, which I won't dive into all of that here, but keep in mind that pricing equals perceived value. When you are priced higher than everyone else in your market, people perceive that you are offering more value as well. That may or may not be true, and that really isn't our problem. What matters is that the psychology of it says if you're priced higher, that means you're higher value as well. So that is also something to consider as we're thinking about pricing as we go along. And keep watching, I'm about to give you my system. So how do we fix this? Here are my 4 simple tips to confidently set your prices where they need to be to support your ideal lifestyle. Number 1, reflect on your value. Go back and read all the amazing client reviews that you've gotten. Listen to clients as they're leaving or as they're coming in to what they say about how much they value your services. Write down your own skill set. What have you done up to this point to become an awesome massage therapist, including massage school? Don't forget that those years or year that you spent diving into the body and learning everything that you possibly could to be a great massage therapist that got you to this point. Write down all of these items so that you can look at them and give yourself a real feeling for the value that you're offering to clients. Research. I know I said before, all the people in my area are charging this, so I should be charging this. Research, but don't compare yourself. Just get to know what your market is charging. So research, 10 to 20 businesses around your area, and then average out what they're charging per 60-minute massage so that you have an idea of what actually is happening around your area. Believe it or not, sometimes people find that people around them are actually charging much more than they think. So this information can really empower you. Now this is a whole nother video, but focus on your ideal client. Remember that marketing is going to be much easier if you're focused on a specific group of people that you want to work with. So this includes pricing. Pricing is part of marketing as well. When you focus on your ideal client, it makes it easier to remember that you don't have to be priced for everyone. You just have to be priced for the right people. And as a single massage therapist, we actually don't need that many clients to become regulars to fill our books. So write down your ideal client. This should be not more than 1 or 2 groups, and focus on what your pricing should be for these folks specifically. Number 4, and this is a big one, You have to understand what your actual bottom line is. This means running a financial analysis on how much your expenses are versus how much you want to charge per massage times how many people you want to see per month. I have a worksheet for this. It's called the Massage Profit Calculator, and I will share that link in the description. It will help you find out what your true bottom line is. And what I mean by bottom line is the minimum amount you need to make per massage in order to live your actual ideal lifestyle. And this should also include taxes and how much you want to pay yourself. So don't forget those parts. And I'll include another video that I made already previously that will help you understand how to use the Massage Profit Calculator and more of my ideas around pricing generally. But this is a key step in pricing your services. And this is why I say you should not price your services based on what people around you are charging. You have to base your prices on what you actually need to make to support your life. Your business otherwise is just an expensive hobby, so pricing your services based on what you want to make is key to ensuring that this is sustainable for you and you don't just end up either changing career paths or working for someone else again. So, key step, the one you don't want to skip, is this one. Bonus tip, ease into your pricing. Even if you find that you do need to raise your prices quite a bit, that doesn't mean you have to take the leap overnight. So I am a little bit more in the camp of rip the band-aid off and just jump that price up and lose the clients you're going to lose and then fill those spots with people who are the right fit for you. But I realize that everyone's circumstances are different. And if you really can't afford to lose any clients or you can't afford to take the risk, then gradually raise your prices up over 6 months or a year. It's okay to do more than one price increase a year. Remember that. There are lots of strategies to make this work for you and for your clients. Now, I say all that, and then I'm going to say this. Oftentimes, all the people I've ever worked with over the years, and this is thousands of massage therapists that have raised their prices and have done it through this fear of losing clients, have literally not lost more than 1 or 2 clients, and then almost immediately have had those slots filled and overfilled with people at the new pricing. I would not lie to you about this. It's 100% true. There's something in the energy and mind shift that happens that helps you create abundance in your practice and get more of the right clients. So keep this in mind. Sometimes you have to step forward into the future with fear and with anxiety and just trust that it's going to work. I'm going to keep this video short, so I'll stop there. Feel free to ask questions in the comments, and I would love it if you would subscribe, like, and share this video with fellow colleagues who need to hear this as well. Raising your prices will make all the difference in how you feel about your business, your practice, your clients, and your life. You deserve to make money, you deserve to feel good about your finances, and you deserve to feel secure. You did not get into massage to struggle, and you don't have to struggle to be a great massage therapist. There's no trophy for people who continue to offer their services at a lower price and struggle. I promise you, no one's coming to give you a trophy for that. You can provide services to clients at a lower rate to become accessible. That is also okay. But the right way to do this is to make sure that you are creating enough income to support yourself first, and then create ways for people who are lower income or don't have access to services to still see you. That means you could offer a day a month where you do a sliding scale, or you could have some other ways that you do donations and things like that. Reserve an appointment a week for people of lower income or people who don't have access to services. Those are all great things to do, and I 100% encourage that. But first, you have to be making the income that makes you feel secure so that you have energy to give your best every day to your clients, including the ones who are not able to access services as much as they really should be able to. I love marketing with heart, and so I always feel like giving back to the community should be part of our overall strategy. I'm not trying to shy you away from that. Imagine feeling energized, valued, empowered every single day that you go to work. Imagine feeling like you have shown up with 100% energy, no worries, no cares in the world, and you can always give to your clients freely. Pricing with purpose makes this possible. If you're ready to embrace this and get the support that you need while doing so, I recommend that you join my program. It's a monthly membership coaching program called the 15-Minute Club. It breaks all of this down in 15 minutes a day. It's all about marketing with heart, pricing your services with purpose, and building community and getting support. The 15-Minute Club is ongoing. You can join anytime, and it is very well priced for the offerings that it is. It gives you monthly goals for client retention, reducing admin hours, and growing your revenue. And it comes with done-for-you posts, templates, emails, monthly marketing plans, and so much more, plus weekly group coaching. It's very, very valuable, and I can definitely help you if you're needing support with pricing your services in a way that makes you feel confident and successful. Check the description for the link, and I hope to see you there. Don't forget, you can always ask questions in the comments. You can email me at massagebusinesscoach@gmail.com. And I hope you will like, subscribe, and share this video so that our community can get support and start pricing the services the way that we should. Keep an eye out for future videos, and I hope you found some gems in here.